A soil sample of unknown acidity was tested using process B. The concentrations in milligrams per liter of dissolved oxygen, dissolved ammonium chloride, and dissolved potassium chloride were 4.2, 72.1, and 0.41 respectively. Respectively means in that order. So the level of dissolved oxygen was 4.2, the level of dissolved ammonium chloride was 72.1, and dissolved potassium chloride was 0.41. According to the study, the pH value of the soil sample is most likely which one of these? Okay, so let's take a look at table 1, and we'll start off with dissolved oxygen. I'm just going to slide this over slowly so you don't get too dizzy. You may want to close your eyes for a second. Okay, here we go. So we're looking at process B. Dissolved oxygen is right here. Okay, and the measured value was 4.2. Was 4.2. So 4.2, I would say, is pretty close to 4.1, which was a pH 2. I think it's closer to 4.1 than it is to 4.5, which is the pH 3. So I would say probably pH 2. Okay. Now I'm going to slide down to ammonium chloride very slowly. And again, I'm looking at process B, and the value given was 72.1. 72.1, I would say, is closer to 73.1 than it is to 69.2. So 72.1, I would say it's probably pH 2 because it's closer in value to the 73.1. And now let's take a look at potassium chloride, the last one, process B again. And the value given was 0.41. 0.41, I would say, is pretty close to 0.42. Certainly much closer than it is to 0.45. So I would pick pH 2 again. So I would go back to the prompt. I'm going to move this very quickly now. Okay. And it says, according to the study, the pH value of the soil sample is most likely pH 2 because the values are closest to the pH 2 values. All right, so I'm going to pick D with confidence and quickly move on.